Let me now show you how to stitch a straight stitch on a curved fabric. So as I mentioned earlier, I will place the presser foot at the edge of the fabric, and say if I want the seam allowance to be more, I will move the needle towards my left, so that way the seam allowance here will increase. And then as I stitch, I'm going to follow the presser foot and the edge of the fabric. Go very slowly and then guide the fabric. If you need to adjust the fabric, stop and then make sure that there are no wrinkles. Now I am going a little away, so I'm going to stop and then reposition my fabric. Alright, let me take it off now. The needle is in down position, so I need to rotate the hand wheel to take the needle up and then cut with the scissors here. Let's see. So the line straight, this is a straight stitch. You see that the distance from the edge of the fabric to this line that we just stitched is almost the same. Thank you for watching. Take care.